Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by granting the app required permissions so it can silence distractions and track sessions. Once done, open Focus and choose or create a profile tied to the task you want to complete. Set a clear primary goal and a short timer. 25 minutes is standard, so you can generate momentum fast. Make sure to enable Do Not Disturb for that profile. This prevents alerts from interrupting your flow. Now tap Start and commit to one uninterrupted block. Once your session begins, enable app and site blocking to remove common temptations. Choose categories or specific apps you know derail you. Use ambient sound or silence depending on what helps you concentrate, and adjust volume so it's supportive rather than distracting. During longer work, rely on scheduled short breaks, 5 minutes after each block, to reset attention. Track session counters and streaks to reinforce progress. Seeing momentum builds motivation, so make sure to check metrics between blocks, not during them. You conclude by stopping the timer and writing a quick summary of what you achieved and the next action, which preserves momentum into the next session. Then sync or export session data if you want analytics or backup. This keeps accountability intact. If the app fails to block distractions, first recheck permissions and Do Not Disturb settings, then restart the app or reapply the profile. That single reset fixes most issues. If problems persist, toggle the specific blocked apps off and back on to refresh rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.